Welcome back to What's in Your Skillet. From the obvious opening video, and title for that matter, today I will be showing you a true beginner's point of view of making calzones for the very first time, to finish out my Dine with your Valentine series. Now, if you're an OG skillet head or a new skillet head, then you should know 3 things about me. I'm from Chicago, home of the best pizza places in these here United States. Pizza is one of my favorite things in the world. And lastly, yeasted dough is like kryptonite to me. And because of these 3 facts, y'all get to see firsthand of my first ever calzones. Pizza conceptualized foods like calzones are perfect for date night vibes, like Valentine's Day, because they could be dressed up with y'all favorite bottle of wine or dressed down with some wings and a pop. They're also easy to customize to show how much you really care about your loved ones, so I hope you've been paying attention to what they like and don't like. I'm sure someone would say you couldn't think of anything more romantical for Valentine's Day other than calzones. Sure, I could have, but why would I? Being from Chicago, pizza is just one of those things that bring people together. Good times, bad times, and the in-between times. It was also my husband and I's go-to cheap eats date night meal. Veggies was a pizza place that had huge pizza slices and a pop for $5. Pieces so big that if our pockets was really hurting, because we was college students, we could share a slice and be solid off of it. Now, was this the best pizza Chicago had to offer? Absolutely not. But this was one of our first date night spots, so the memories will be ever etched in my heart. My plan was to find the easiest recipe I could and execute it to the best of my ability. And if you saw from the opening clip, I did just that. For it to have been my very first time making a calzone, I'm just going to go ahead and pat myself on the back again because no, I did that. Now, for those of y'all that are new to this calzone making game like myself, I did not know that ricotta cheese was a requirement for calzones. And I really wanted to leave it out because personally, I'm not a fan of ricotta. And if I had left it out, I didn't want to create friction with the calzone gurus of the internet world. So rule of thumb, if you don't add ricotta to your calzone, it's no longer a calzone, it's a stromboli. The more you know, because that was something that I did not know. Now I know there are still some that are still like, nah, calzones ain't it for Valentine's dinner. I would like to say that's perfectly fine and I appreciate the view. For those of y'all that are on board, this is such an easy and fun way to get to rebond or bond with your loved one in the kitchen for one of the most expensive holidays outside of Christmas and truly enjoy yourselves. Enjoy y'all's presence, enjoy y'all time, enjoy the food. Just don't enjoy it too much because the dough only needs 30 minutes to rise. Save those extracurricular activities for after dinner. And that's just a little food for y'all skillet. Here we are, the post-editing stage, where I realize I did not say enough to last this video out. So bear with me and watch my hands work as we finish out these calzones.